In this session, let's learn about Oracle 12c. You are thinking, what is C? Yes, the buzzword these days is cloud, right? Yes, Oracle came up with a new database called Oracle 12c which supports the cloud computing. Now you are thinking, what is cloud computing? Right? So let's understand that. Cloud computing is an architecture where the services such as the database, applications, development environment, the server infrastructure, storage, software are available over the network and available for the users. Yes, they are all available on the network and organizations can pay money to use those services. Cool, right? Let's take an example. Suppose your organization want to process huge data and they don't have the necessary servers. So, in order to do that, they have to buy all the servers, configure them, and then you have to analyze the data. Obviously, this takes time and money. So, instead of that, you go to a cloud provider, pay some fee, and use the servers for the task you need and walk out. Cool, right? Yes, you are paying a fee to the cloud service provider based on your usage, and the provider is giving you the access to the servers in their cloud. The biggest benefit of this is it avoids you from buying new servers and employing people to configure those servers. Okay? The same way how various servers, softwares, application, storage can be available on a cloud, even Oracle 12c database is designed to run on the cloud and be accessible as a service. Yes, this Oracle 12c database can be on a cloud and can be used as a service if required. You see here, our Oracle 12c database is in the cloud and it has various databases sitting within that Oracle 12c database, and several users are connecting to the cloud and then accessing the data present in the various databases. Maybe some of the users are accessing the data from the HR database, some are accessing the insurance database, some are accessing the sales, some are accessing the healthcare. Cool, right? Yes, that is why Oracle tagged their Oracle 12 software with a C. Okay, now you are thinking, how can Oracle database support this, right? Okay, to support this, Oracle came up with a container database. Okay, think it as a master database. Okay, you have one big master database which we call it as container database, and within that we can install multiple databases which we may call as child databases. But in Oracle terminology, they are called as pluggable databases. Yes, they are called as pluggable databases because you can plug them into the container database whenever you need, and if you want to move that pluggable database to some other container database, you can just unplug from this container database and move it to some other container database. It's so flexible. Just like how you take a video player, plug it onto a TV, use it, and then take out the video player, go to a different TV, and then plug it in. In the same way, you can take a pluggable database from one container database to the other container database. It's that flexible. Okay, by coming up with this architecture, Oracle was able to provide Oracle 12c database as a cloud service. Think about it. In your organization, if you want to run something in a database, all you have to do is take your database and plug into the 12c container database present on the cloud, and then you do all your work. Once your work is done, just unplug your database and move on. That's it. It's that simple. Okay, that is why Oracle calls it as multi-tenant. Who is a tenant? tenant is a person who pays money for renting out a space. Right? In the same way, we can pay money to plug our database into Oracle 12c container, use the services, and then unplug it. Okay? If needed, please revisit this video again so that you will understand why Oracle 12 supports cloud computing. Okay?